In this tutorial, I'll show you how to combine charts in TradingView. By the end, you'll have multiple charts displayed side by side in TradingView using the multi-chart layout, each set to the symbols you want and sized the way you prefer. First, move to the top right corner of your TradingView chart. Click the Select Layout icon. It looks like a small grid. When you click it, a layout menu opens so you can choose how many charts you want on screen and how they are arranged. Next, choose a configuration. For a simple two-chart view, select the option with two vertical panels. If you need more, choose the four-box grid to see four charts at once. Click the layout that matches what you need right now. As soon as you select it, TradingView will split the screen into the panes you chose, each ready to display its own chart. Now, select a specific chart pane so you can set its symbol. Click once inside the pane you want to change to make it active. You'll know it's selected when you see a clear highlight or border around that panel. From here, go to the top search bar and enter a ticker, for example, AAPL. Type the ticker and confirm it from the search results. The selected pane updates to that symbol. Only the pane you clicked will change, so make sure the correct panel is selected before entering a ticker. If you notice the wrong pane updating, click inside the one you intended to change and try again. Once that's done, you can set another pane the same way. Click inside a different chart pane to select it, then go back to the top search bar and enter the symbol you want for that pane. Repeat this action for as many panes as you have in your chosen layout until each one shows the symbol you need. This keeps your combined charts organized and easy to compare side by side. At this point, click and drag the borders between charts to resize them. Move your cursor to the line between two panes until it changes to a resize handle. Click, hold, and drag left or right to adjust width or up and down to adjust height, depending on where you're dragging. Release the mouse to set the new size. Use this to give more space to the charts you monitor most closely and reduce space for the ones you check less often. If a layout looks cramped, adjust the borders again until each pane has the visibility you need. As you fine-tune the layout, keep your eye on which pane is active before changing symbols. If you're switching between tickers, always click inside the target pane first, then use the top search bar. This small step prevents accidental changes to a different chart and keeps the setup consistent. From here, review the overall layout on screen. You should see your selected configuration in place, with each pane showing its assigned symbol. Make any final adjustments by dragging the borders one more time to balance visibility across the charts. When the panes are sized correctly, the combined side-by-side view will be easier to read and compare. That's it. Your charts are now combined in TradingView with a multi-chart layout, each pane set to the symbols you chose and resized to fit your workflow. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.